Hey, Fairy Collective, let's do a quick one card pull for the weekend. The Ladybug and Sweet Pea, happiness. Aw, how sweet. This is telling me that this weekend, keep things very simple. All we want to focus on is our happiness. That's all. Very simple. Do simple routines this weekend. Take nice walks outside. Make really good meals for yourself. Cook at home. Do something really luxurious. Take a nice bubble bath or something. Whatever it is that makes you feel like a royal prince or princess. Make yourself luxuriously happy this weekend, okay?